In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp to Google Docs. By the end, you'll have a Google Doc linked right inside a ClickUp task so your team can open it instantly, without permission issues or back and forth messages. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to connect. Make sure it's the exact document your team needs. At the top right, click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings for that specific file. If you see that access is set to restricted, that means only specific people can open it right now. To make sure your teammates in ClickUp can view it without being added one by one, change that setting from restricted to anyone with a link. This gives link-based access and is the simplest way to let your team open the doc from ClickUp. As a best practice, keep the default permission as viewer unless you explicitly want others to edit. Viewer access usually keeps your content safer while still being easy to share. Once you've switched the access, click Copy Link. That places the document's shareable URL on your clipboard, ready to paste. Take a quick moment to confirm you grabbed the right link from the correct document, especially if you keep multiple tabs open. Now switch over to ClickUp. Choose the space where your project lives. A space is your top-level area in ClickUp for a team, client, or project category. So pick the one that matches the work this document supports. Navigate to the task that needs the Google Doc and open it. Inside the task, go to the comment box. Paste the link you just copied, then post the comment. ClickUp will display a clickable link right inside the task. Anyone on your team who has access to the task can open the doc directly from there. Because you set the document to anyone with the link, they won't run into a request access wall. That's the full integration. Your Google Doc remains in Google Drive, your task stays in ClickUp, and the link connects them. If you later change the doc's permissions back to restricted, remember that teammates may no longer be able to open it from ClickUp. You can always return to the share settings to adjust access if needed. It also helps to keep your document title clear and versioned, so your team knows they're opening the right file. Quick recap: open your Google Doc, click Share, switch from restricted to anyone with the link, copy the link, head to ClickUp, open the right space and task, and paste the link in a comment. That's it. You've just integrated ClickUp with Google Docs in a fast, reliable way.